Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add a clock in Notion. You will begin by opening your web browser and searching for Notion Clock Widget on a reputable platform, such as in Di-Fi, Co, or Widgetbox. These sites offer many customizable options to choose from for your workspace needs. Selecting a reliable provider ensures both functionality and visual appeal for your Notion setup, making your digital environment more efficient and personalized. Once on a widget site, take some time to browse the available clock options. You can find everything from a minimalist digital display to a classic analog face, or even a countdown timer. Many widgets also allow you to specify your exact time zone. Choose one that best suits your visual preferences and the functional needs of your Notion page, ensuring it complements your existing setup beautifully. After selecting your clock, you will find options to customize its appearance and functionality. You might adjust the background color, the font style, or even the 24-hour format versus the 12-hour format. Once satisfied with your modifications, simply click the Generate Code or Copy Embed Code button. This action will place the entire snippet of code directly onto your clipboard, ready for the next step. Now, open your Notion workspace and go to the exact page where you wish to display your new clock. Find an empty space on the page, or simply type a slash mark and then Embed. Paste the previously copied embed code directly into the Notion page. A small menu will then pop up, offering you the option to Create Embed. Click this to instantly integrate your clock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.